Oh, smack. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. Now in today's video we have the Bold N1. Now this brand new brand Bold is actually not a brand new brand. It is formerly known as Blue Bold Like Us. Now I believe they've rebranded themselves as Bold and they want to start a new look for the new brand, so they want to start off right. And this right here is their first device, the N1. This thing is packed with some nice mid-tier specs at a nice price. Right off the back, it has a 6.4 inch 1080p AMOLED display with the in-display fingerprint sensor. It is packing the MediaTek Helio P70 processor with 4 gigs of RAM. It has 128 gigabytes of onboard storage. It has a 13 megapixel pop-up selfie camera because you do get that full display in the front. There's no notch or anything like that. You do have a 16 megapixel paired up with a 5 megapixel for the rear cameras. The 5 megapixel is just for depth sensing. It has a 3500 milliamp hour battery. It is capable of 18 watt fast charging. It is QI wireless charging. It has a headphone jack, USB Type-C, Android 9 Pie, and I believe they did state that it will be getting Android 10, and it currently has all the US bands needed except for I believe 66, and that those off ones are pretty much brand new right now, but it does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 12, 13, 17, and 28. All for $250 right now on Amazon. Link will be in the description below, but if you run over to the Bold Phone website, you can get it for $200 because they are offering you a limited time instant rebate. Links to both the Amazon and the Bold website will be in the description below if you want to go ahead and pick yourself a Bold N1. Enough of me talking, let's go ahead and unbox this and see if the aesthetics match the spec sheets here. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic so we can get a better view of the phone. Right off the back, let's start with the packaging itself. You do have a very reflective Bold branding there with the N1 on the sides. You do have Bold N1 on the top, some mumbo jumbo on the bottom, Bold, and on the back you have this very reflective box, almost looks like that Aurora Glow Samsung Galaxy Note 10, and you do have some of those quick specs I kind of ran down earlier. Enough of me yapping, let's go ahead and take a look at the phone itself. Bam, look at that, look at that. Let's go ahead and put aside the phone. Feels very good, it's in solid in hand right now. Let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. We do have some earbuds that they normally pair up with their phones. I don't know how good they are. We do have this extra duty Type-C to micro USB charging cable. It looks very good, very reflective, heavy duty too. Feels very stiff and solid. We do have our Bold charging brick here. I think this is not capable of 18 watt, but I think it is of 12, if I'm not mistaken. So very nice, good solid brick. And inside we do have a Bold sticker, SIM injection tool, a soft TPU flexible case, and a tempered glass screen protector. Now this is glass and it's not one of those flimsy plastics, which is cool of them. You get everything you need in the box to protect your phone right out of the box, so never fear. Let's go ahead and put these things back and take a look at the phone itself. So real quick, you're looking at the phone. Let's go ahead and peel this protective plastic off. I was having difficulties doing this. And we have another protective plastic here. Bam, look at that, look at that. The foam feels very, very solid. It is glass on the back. You do have a metal trim around the edges here. Let's take a quick look. There on the bottom of the phone, we do have a headphone jack, mic, Type-C power port, and your speaker there. On the left side of the phone, you'd have nothing, just a SIM tray there. On the top of the phone, you have your pop-up camera and a mic. On the right side of that phone, you have your power button and your volume rocker. The power button is a little bit textured to differentiate from the volume rocker itself, which is pretty good. I like that type of details. And on the back of the phone, you do have your 16 and 5 megapixel camera with flash. And on the front of the phone, let's wipe this down because this is getting fingerprints everywhere. You do have a full black slab. On the top of the phone, you do have a tiny cutout for the earpiece there. Let's go ahead and power this on. Bold like us. Let me go ahead and set this up and give you a quick rundown and come back and see how it just handles. Okay, we're back setting up the device now. Let's see how good this fingerprint sensor works. I guess we have to enable, and there you have it. It works pretty good. It did take quite a while to set up. It took a little longer than usual, but it does work pretty good. I need to enable tap to touch, and there you go. Fingerprint sensor looks good. Let's see how much onboard storage we have before it starts downloading everything that I have. Let's go to systems, I guess, storage. Now we do have 128, 13.27 gigabytes is used right off the back, so you do have an available 115, which is not bad, and it's looking good. It does come with some bloatware. I see the Opera web browser there. Also, this Coin Master game, solitaire game, and I did see Facebook and stuff packaged in there. Pandora, Amazon, Bold News, Yahoo, Bing, Facebook, all those apps, and I think they are removable. Let me see if we can uninstall them because I don't see them in here. Let's see if we can and I guess you can uninstall them because they're gone. Yep. All right, cool. So there you have it, guys. Just a quick unboxing and a run through of the Bold N1. So far, it's looking like a great device. Oh, whoa. Before we leave, check this out. Oh, smack. Bam. So I almost forgot about, it's a full display AMOLED 1080p with a pop-up camera, all at $200. It doesn't get better than that, or $250 if you get it on Amazon. I think the price is going to go up, but even at $250 is still a great deal. So far, it's looking like a great device. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.